Guys, whatever you do, stand perfectly still. I believe the vision is based off movement. James, may we remind you that we weren't planning to move. Well, could you at least just take this a lot more seriously than I'm doing right now? Just making sure we get away as soon as we can so we don't get killed. Well, as long as we're not moving, James, we're fine. Point made. I was just stating the facts, of course. I mean, you should ought understand about it, right? Yeah, well then, wait, hold on a minute. Dottie, what are you looking at? Is that you?
Of course it is. Who else would it be? Some random engine just coming to this island?
Just making sure you ain't an imposter if Bluebell is pretending to be you in the damaged body of yours. Wait, hold on. How did you know a lot about it? I literally watch episodes of Murder Trains on my driver's phone. I mean, after all, there are plenty of engines that became murder drones when my drivers show me the videos of it. Aye, he's right, James. You and we understand about it. Okay, first of all, Donald, I don't act like that. I mean, just because I can be a bit of unknowing doesn't mean I am. And secondly, why are they here and why is she still alive? Last time me and Henry saw her, she was literally dead and Uzi told us that she literally killed her twice.
First, it will be impossible to kill us salvage locos. We salvage locos are cloned with our memories being saved. And we can regenerate.
Well, all I can say is that she got you there, Jimmy. Seriously, Donald, if you call me Jimmy again, then I'll push you so hard into a wall that you won't be able to speak for 2 weeks. Alright, no need to get your smoke box into a twist. It's just something that me and Dougie came up with. Aye, it just rhymes up the tongue better. Well, could you at least say my name, James, instead of saying Jimmy all the time? I'm not even a female, you know. Well, it can't be that bad calling yet, Dad. I mean, we did call Thomas Tommy a lot, you know that.
As I was saying, the second is, we actually don't know. The boss disappeared, and before the boss disappeared, the boss did order the 3 of us to go here, and that's it. We have no orders to kill the engines on this island, and she just sent us here.
Huh. Strange. Very strange indeed.
Anyway, you 3 seem to be going somewhere. Where are you going?
Well, to answer your question, other Dougie, we're actually heading to Battle Furnace to wait here while the others catch up with us. And probably figure out why the salvage logo wants with your railway. Now, if you don't mind, it's time for us to be off then.
Aren't you supposed to go?
Exactly! But how can we move? You're blocking our path!
Let's move out the way, guys.
James, are you okay? Tired and cranky, Donald. Just tired and cranky. That's all. Okay. Well, if you lads are trying to go to our world, well, good luck with that. Cause I'm all gonna get my friends for something.
Friends? I don't have a problem with that. Besides, what they can do. Never mind. I was wrong.
Hi, Edward. Oh, hey, Henry. Is there something I can help you with? Well, yes. I just want to see if I can check up on Gordon and see if he's okay. Do you know where he is? Oh yeah, he's just at the sheds near Titmup Station. You can look for him there. Alright, thanks Edward. I just need to know that. No worries. Just hope he'll be alright. Yeah, me too. Gordon, I hope you and Percy will be able to go through all this, even if you are missing Thomas so much right now.
Hello, Henry. Doing well. Well, I should be asking you the same thing. I see you're resting at the sheds at Farquhar Sheds near Titmup, right? Yeah, I just thought maybe I could have a rest here. That reminds me of, well, I think you know. Oh yeah, Thomas. Almost forgot about him. Yeah, I missed him too. It's been a few minutes since we lost him last night. It did broke me and Percy's heart quite a lot. Yeah, I just wish we would have gotten a chance to say goodbye to him. Me, James, Donald, Douglas, and a few more. I know, but that's the way life is, you know. Yeah, you may have a point. You think you'll be okay without him? Well, at least I got you or the others. I think I might be okay for once. Alright, I was wondering if you're willing to come with me to find James, Donald, and Douglas if it makes you feel better. Yeah, I guess one little trip can't hurt. Alright, I'll leave you to it then. Thomas, you're hearing this. I hope you have a better place with Todd and Scruffy, wherever you are now, my dear son. So, this is the direction where Donald or Douglas took to find him, right? Well, that's what Percy told me. Yes, if you could kind of tell. Well, let's see if it does lead us to them. If not, then we'll turn back. Simple as that.
So, how long do we have to wait for the others at Baron Furnace for? A couple of hours. Maybe a bit longer. Well, it just seems like 2 minutes, of course, so does that count? Yeah, could be. What do you think, James? Not now, you two. I was just thinking of how many engines there. I mean, first there's another Emily, and then another versions of you two, and now versions of Doug and Oliver. What's next? Are you supposed to tell me that there was another version of him back at the sheds? Yeah, I'll let him figure it out for himself. Yeah, okay, if you're sure.
Donald, Douglas, James, Gordon, Henry?
Good. Guys, is that you?
No, I'm actually your father. Of course I'm the other you. What do you think I am? Some kind of another entity that came from another world or something?
I'm just making sure, of course. Wait, how did you even get over here? I thought that door blocked half of the island.
Well, technically, we just came from the magic buffers that led into your world past those gates from the other side of the islands that you put up. Yeah, we did watch those episodes about it, and I'm surprised about it. You know, speaking of doors, didn't one of you destroy them? Wait, they did?
Well, technically, the door was severely damaged after you rammed it, and it was currently under restoration until, well, I'm assuming these three scared them off and killed all of them since they entered from there.
Huh, that makes a lot more sense. Well, if I have an echo for every time something like this happens, I'd be a billionaire by now. Oliver, you literally said it like multiple times. I have? Yes. Do I had to literally count them out for you? Not really, no.
Now I'm wishing I was one of the salvage locals. Don't say that, Uzi. Besides, you don't want to end up like me indeed, do you? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Why are you saying like that to me? Girl, just because I told you the truth and you recover my memories does not mean that I should go back to my old personality, as all the acting did improve me a lot.
Wait, is that bad to become a savage local, Arthur? Well, if it means losing your memories replaced with the new ones, then I say so. You seem to know a lot about this, do you, Arthur? Well, of course I do, Boko. I mean, I ain't some kind of a waste of space engine not watching episodes of Murder Trains. Plus, I hadn't broken my spell. But let's make it fun. You already broken it like 2 times since you came to this island. You didn't have to go there. That was a bit of a rude and bad taste there, Duck. Oh, sorry. It's been years since he came to Sodor that he broken spotless record, like the time with the fruit train and the time with the fish. Fair point. Although, I must ask, for curiosity's sake, where are you lads heading to?
We are going to the mainland to try find Titfield and why the absolute salvation or Bluebell wants with our railway.
Well, we are heading there the same way, but we're stopping by Fickerstown to refill up before we head off. Speaking of which, shouldn't you lads be on your way right about now?
Exactly, but how can we go from here blocking the path?
Okay, we'll get out of your way. Yeah, I think that sounds a good idea. Oh, knowing Lucy, she has got some serious triggered issues to look after. Yeah, but didn't that engine look familiar? Well, not sure. Let's just head to Pickettstown to refill up, then we'll follow after them after that. Huh? Huh. Odd. So, after that, you and Percy went to Titmup Sheds where Edward, Rose, C, and Gordon were, right? You can say that. I mean, I never seen a tram engine that looked like Toby before. Aye, that'll do, aye. Probably the same signature that Dougie saw last night. Yeah. Oh, and I'm deeply sorry about what happened with Thomas. I know he's a bit of a cheeky engine sometimes, but he didn't deserve this. It's alright, James. It wasn't your fault. No, you could have known that this was gonna happen. I know, it's just... I wish it would have been me instead of him. James, you don't mean that, do you? No, not really. It's just... I need some time alone for a minute, real quick. Should someone go with him? I'll go. Stay, everyone. I'll be back. Well, I'll see if I can head back to Sodor to see if I can find either Emily, Molly, Derek, and Mavis near Kelsdorf Road if you want. Alright, if you should. Good luck. Thanks. I'll need it.
So, do you think that they're okay?
Hard to say. I haven't got a radio for them.
Well, I just hope they'll be okay and not, but...
Henry? Is that you? Derek? Mavis? Molly? Emily? Oh, thank gosh you guys are alright. I was worried about you. Wait, what happened to you and Mavis's face?
We kind of got scratched by a tree back there. Well, the glass from the window gave me a scar on my eye. That's why I had to wear an eye patch.
Oh, well, sorry about your eye back there and your face too, Mavis.
It's fine. At least you're here now, but what are you doing here?
Well, I then decided to head back to Soda to see if you need some help. But at least you're okay. Thank gosh. Yeah, let's hope nothing else can go wrong with this here.
Oi, Henry! It's me, Henry! No, it's me, Donald!
Wait, Donald?
Hi, Donald, guess what? I got some good news. I found Emily, Molly, Mavis, and Derek here. We're meeting you back at Barrow Fitness right now. No, forget that! I made a huge mistake! You should not have gone down the Council Road! There's something in the way! You have to run! No!
Donald? Donald?
What does he mean by something on our line?
I don't know. What about you, Derek? What?
There's two engines right behind you.
What?
What the? How did they find us? Don't ask me that, Mavis. I don't know, but we're gonna die.
No, we're not. Ready, Emily?
Ready.
Alright, Emily, do your thing.
Wait. Whoa, I can't believe you did that.
Don't mention it. It's something that me and Emily practice.
But hey, It was a piece of cake, right?
Yeah, it was. Let's not just throw a party until we meet up with the others at Barrow Furnace. What do you say?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Come on, let's go.
I've played out the scene so much in my head. I have to wake up, but I'd rather be dead. Haunted by thoughts of the ones I love most. I pictured them living alone.